Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can create tables easily while using the SQL Server Management Studio. First of all, you should have to open the software SQL Server and wait while a second. The software is open. You should have to simply connect with that software. Come to this section and here you can see the option of databases on the top. Expand the option of databases and here you can see that there is no any database that can be created with the name first. First of all, I am going to create the database with the name first and then we can create tables in that database. So first of all, you should have to make the new database. After clicking on new database, give the name of your database according to your choice. As I can said, I am going to create the database with the name first. After that, click on OK and you can see that the new database is in progress and can be created. Again come to this section and here you can see in last that the database with the name first can be created. Expand this option and you can see the option of tables. Now it's time to create the table. Right click on that and click on table. It is your choice which type of column name you want to given. I am going to create the table of student, so I am given the name of the columns according to the student name, student ID, student city and student program. It's your choice which type of table you want to create it. Whether it is a table of student, teacher, customer, sales, order, it's your choice. I am going to create the table of student. Here STU means student. After specifying the column names, you can unmark all these options of allow nulls. After unmark all these options, you can specify the data type according to the column requirements. As you know that ID is in integer, so here we can select the data type integer. And name and city and program is in characters, so here we can select the data type characters. After that, the names of the column can be specified and data type can be assigned. Unmark all the options of allow nulls. You should have to simply press Ctrl+S for saving the table. And here you can give the full name of the table. As I can said, I am going to create the table of student. So again come to this section and expand the option of tables. You can see that the table of student can be created. Right click on that and select edit top 200 rows for the data insertion. The table can be created successfully. Now it's time to insert data in that table. You can give data or assign data according to your requirements. The table can be created and values can be inserted. First of all, we can create the new database with the name first and then we can create table in that database with the name student and then we can assign the values to that table. If this video is understandable by you, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.